Major news organizations, including C-SPAN, the Associated Press, CNN, ABC News, and the New York Times, are urging Judge Tanya Chutkan to allow cameras to film the trial of former President Donald Trump. This unprecedented move is aimed at providing the public with audio and visual access to the trial, where Trump faces charges related to his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election results. In their argument, the news organizations emphasize the historical significance of the case, stating that no federal criminal trial in the nation's history deserves audio and visual coverage more than Trump's trial for attempting to subvert the will of the people. They assert that allowing cameras will uphold the constitutional right of access, ensuring fair trials and promoting confidence in the justice system. Trump, pleading not guilty to charges including conspiring to defraud the United States, obstructing an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights, is under investigation by Special Counsel Jack Smith. The trial is scheduled for March 2024. The media companies stress that continuous public oversight is crucial in such high-profile cases involving a former president and a presidential contender. The news organizations also highlight Trump's expressed desire for cameras to be allowed at his federal trial. They argue that real-time audiovisual coverage is essential to counter false conspiracy theories and enhance public understanding, irrespective of the trial's outcome. As an alternative to live coverage, the media outlets propose options like a YouTube live stream or the release of visual and audio recordings at the end of each day. This approach aims to balance transparency with the legal constraints that prohibit broadcasting and photographing federal criminal proceedings under the Federal Rule of Criminal Procedure. While Trump is simultaneously involved in a civil trial in Manhattan, accused by Attorney General Letitia James of inflating property values, the arrangements for cameras in the courtroom differ. Photographers are permitted to briefly capture images at the start of each session, a practice followed during Trump's historic arraignment in a New York court earlier this year. The media's push for cameras in the federal trial aligns with efforts to ensure public scrutiny and understanding in a case that holds significant national implications. Chutkan is now tasked with weighing the merits of this request and exploring viable alternatives to maintain transparency throughout the proceedings.